Hey guys, Anirudh here, aka Animator. Welcome to Editunes. Hope you all are doing well. And there is nothing good about this lockdown, but yeah, this will be. Anyways, so a few days back I was sitting at my dining table having dinner, and Gray entered, rushing in because it was chased by my dogs, and that's when I realized that we have one cat and three dogs. Yeah, I know. Yeah, we have three dogs and a cat. So I came up with this weird and interesting idea of turning my house into a Pokemon mansion. Or that's what I thought. Then I thought like why not make a video on it and tell you about my character design, like how I make characters and give you tips and tricks about it. So that's where we are going to start today. So let's get started without lazy bum Craig.
Hey, I didn't sign up for this. You just baited me.
Okay. I'll give you some more milk, Coco.
Okay.
Okay, let's get started for here. So before starting off any character, there's an important thing we always miss out on. That is its story. Where is it coming from? What's the origin? What's the nature is going to show up when it's going to be on the screen? That's what important thing is. For example, Gray is a rude and arrogant cat and it likes to boss around the house. So I felt like giving it a dark and fire type because it suited well with his rudeness and arrogant at the same time. So that's where I decided to go with it. So after you have decided the nature and all, start getting some references so that you have a broad picture of your character, and you start understanding what are proportion, poses, etc. When you are starting out, this is important that you start getting a clear picture so that you don't get off track and all. So, and there's nothing wrong in copying a pose or something. Just when you copy, just copy the baseline. Don't just trace it out. When when you have a baseline, you start getting a knowledge like where you want to go and all. So after you have a clear image like what you want to make and all, start getting messy. Draw. Like draw many versions of your character. So all I will say is don't get settled for your first draw. Like draw at least 2 to 3 characters so that you get a clearer picture and you can make it in a better way. So these are the 3 steps I follow to create my characters, and there are obviously basic steps like you have to know about anatomy of animals, human beings, and other like when you combine these two and draw something, try to draw your own characters and all. So these are the 3 important steps that many people like they miss out when they are doing a character. They start with something and they end up with something. So these are the steps I follow to make my character look better and all. Now you can watch the time lapse of how I designed my 2 characters here, like how turned my house into a Pokemon mansion. Okay, so let's get started. hope you liked it and learned something new from this video. Comment on what are the other tutorials or artwork you would like me to make and share this with your friends. Do subscribe to my channel and support me and my content so that I make more fun contents like these. And see you in the next video. Bye bye.